This past summer, I planted blue days and petunias in my flower bed. Some pests dug up all the petunias but left the blue days. This fall, I replanted with pansies. They are being dug up whole, plus there are other holes in the bed as well. We have a lot of squirrels and chipmunks in our neighborhood, but also some raccoons. I have sprinkled a powder of dried fox urine, but it only helps for a few days. What creature is doing this, and what can I do to prevent this? This is Kay from right here in Memphis, Tennessee. That's a lot going on. They left the blue days. Right? Went out to the petunias, went out to the pansies. She used dry powder, right, of fox urine.
Right. Good idea.
Good idea. Okay.
Excellent idea.
Okay.
The problem is we've had so much rain, and whenever it rains or it's watered, you have to reapply that, and I think that's why it only lasted to as long as it rained.
Right.
But all of those animals you talked about could have done that. Could have
been a culprit?
They all could have been a culprit. I mean, because look, humans can eat pansies. And so, and believe me, I've seen squirrels pull pansies up and eat them and cart them away. So, and petunias are also a favorite of some of them. So yeah, it's animals.
Yeah. And then also, you know, chipmunks.
Chipmunks are tough,
And just digging in general, it could be an armadillo. You know, just digging in general, maybe not after the plant. So it could be anything.
Wow.
You know, that's a tough one there.
But the fox urine worked, and it's going to, because it's going to deter all those animals. But every time it rains, you're going to have to reapply, and that's the problem.
That's the only thing about using those tactics, right? I mean, when it rains, you have to reapply.
Right.
Wow. I was thinking something else. I mean, it's all kind of things. I mean, deer could be out there.
It could just be a bunch of stuff
these days.
Lovely. She's planting a nice garden for somebody to eat.
Yes.
And I know it's hard, but she's doing the right thing. She just has to continue and keep on top of it.
Right.
And that's the hard part.
That's the hard part. Yeah.
And unfortunately, as you know, habitat is dwindling for some of these creatures. I mean, they're going to learn to, evolution has taught us, they're going to learn to adapt to live with us.
Right.
So that's what's going to happen.
Right, so they're hungry, they're going to the garden.
That's right. That's right.
And they're going to eat, that's for sure. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.